and the number of people who need to stand in support do stand, the matter is allotted time for debate. And Honorable Speaker, you confirmed from there that the numbers are there. In fact, you asked, are those people standing in support? And it was confirmed. And Honorable Speaker, you went and confirmed the numbers. It cannot be that after that determination, Honorable Speaker, you say people who are standing not knowing what they are doing.
Order.
I refused to read the motion and move again because I've moved. I've moved and a determination has been made. The only thing that the Speaker can direct on is when we are debating. Honorable Speaker, I thank you. So I'm not doing what I've done again.
Honorable Kaluma. Honorable Kaluma. Because I have immense respect for you. I sit with you in the Speaker's panel. I have read 33-3, 33-2, and 33-3. If the numbers were not in question, we would have already allotted time. But I am also bound to listen to members, and I have had complaints from both sides. So I have given a direction, and I will not rescind on it. You will take the motion again, because you have confidence that you have the numbers. Then I will rule without allowing further point of orders to go to the motion. So, honorable members, you are not moving the motion. Honorable Minority Leader, I have made the ruling. I have made the ruling. I have made the rulings. I have given the mover. Honorable Andai, I am very patient with you, but you'll also watch your language. You will also watch your language. I have given Honorable Kaluma to take the motion again. And if not, that matter is before the committee and will be prosecuted and the report brought to the House. Retake the motion or bring the report to the House through the Committee of Interior.